Okay, so people often ask me after I share with them what materials I use, well, why do you paint with this material? Why don't you just buy paper or buy canvas? And the answer is the compliments I often get about my work revolve around two words: color and texture. People love the texture of my paintings, and they want to just go up and just touch it and move their hands along it. And the subject matter that I work from is largely nature, and nature is full of texture. It's full of color, it's full of shapes. And by using this material with its, the bulkier cotton and the finer abaca, as you'll see in a minute, this is what abaca does when we paint with it. I'm able to play with those textures and recreate the textures and the colors of nature, even to the point where I can add some pearlescent pigments, as you see here, and I get a little bit of sheen from adding that to the pigment, to the pulp.